On the outside, I'm but on the inside, I'm wait.
Drive home.
As my good friend, Asmodeus, Lord of the Bottomless Pit.
It is.
Has already told me, I hit the snowplow, then I cut across using gravity, and then
we just left.
with him, and I just want to live.
And he's already sleeping.
And with every shred I had left of sanity, I leapt up and made a perfect quarter turn.
How long will it take us to get home? Hobbit.
And when I saw the trees,
about 4 hours.
Very quickly, I realized three
The
things.
blizzard.
One,
Look at
my
it.
good friend meant was for me to turn
Coming
up
down
the hill.
so hard.
This would have used gravity and slowed me down.